Today I am going to share restaurant-style chicken tangdi kebab recipe. It was very delicious. Do try at home, you will love it. Chicken leg pieces. Cut it like this. Done. Chicken leg transfer to the bowl. Yogurt 3 tablespoons. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon each. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Ketchup 1 tablespoon. Oyster sauce 1 tablespoon. Honey mustard 1 tablespoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Paprika powder 1 teaspoon. Black pepper ½ teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Chaat masala 1 teaspoon. Salt. Mix very well. Done. Cover and rest for 1 hour. Green chutney preparation. Fresh coriander leaf, ½ cup. Two cloves of garlic into green chili. Some soaked, chewy nuts. Roasted cumin powder, ½ teaspoon. Salt to taste. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. Yogurt. Lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. Make a smooth paste. Done. Oil for fry. Add marinated chicken. Fry 12 to 15 minutes on medium-high heat. Flip. Done. Fire up for 1 minute. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video.